Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to save reels without posting. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to save your reels without posting it in your account, well, there is one way you could actually do this. Now, first things first is you want to go ahead and open up your Instagram account here or the app itself, and you want to go and just make a reel first. So if you already have a reel in your drafts, well, you should be able to start downloading it. So how do you exactly do it? Now, in here, you want to go to your account, you see at the bottom right of your screen. And in here, you want to go ahead and click on the reel section of your account, and you should see the draft section. Let's go and just press or click on it. Now, in here, you want to go open up the actual reel. Let's go and click on it. Click on edit that you see at the top right of your screen. And once you do see this, you should see a number of options. But what you're going to click is going to be the arrow that you see at the top left of your screen. So usually it's going to be an arrow pointing down here. Go and just press on it, and it will give you a number of options. Now, in here, you want to go and just swipe to the right section here until you see the download button. You see it at the rightmost side of your screen. So once you do press or click on it, it's going to save draft, save to camera roll, or cancel. Let's go and click on the save to camera roll here, and it's going to say processing. You just need to wait for a few seconds here, and you should be able to download the actual video or the video that you just actually saw in here. So basically, when you visit your gallery here, you should now be able to see the video that you just downloaded, and basically you should be able to use it in whatever way. As you can see, it might take a while for it to load up, but this is the video that we just downloaded. But yeah, so that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.